Sri, I'm Lo. I have a question for you. What is your view on the interfaith dialogue between an imam, a priest, a Buddhist monk, and a Hindu Swami? Should this exercise be promoted at not only international level but also the state level?
Interfaith dialogue is very good. Interfaith dialogue, what is actually our purpose or our objective from interfaith dialogue? What do you want to achieve from interfaith dialogue? Apa yang kita nak capai daripada interfaith dialogue? The problem with some people or many people around the globe, when they talk about interfaith dialogue, they want convince people that you no need to be very good as Muslim, of as Christian, of as Jew. Itu masalahnya. Saya bila masuk interfaith dialogue, saya tak boleh kuat Muslim. Saya kena terima all religion are equal. This will never happen. As a Muslim, saya percaya Islam adalah agama yang benar. The only truth religion in the eye of Allah, of the Lord. Satu-satunya agama yang saya percaya ialah Islam. Tapi itu tak ada masalah untuk saya dialog dengan orang lain, untuk saya tahu budaya. Orang Kristian, you believe your agama is the best religion. It's okay for me. That is your belief, your faith, your creed. Tak apa, it's okay. Orang Hindu, dia percayalah Hindu. Interfaith dialogue untuk saya memahami your culture supaya saya tak hurt you. You faham saya, my background, supaya you tidak menyakitkan saya. Tapi kalau interfaith dialogue itu tujuan dia ialah untuk saudara dan saya sama-sama kata our religion is the same. There is no difference between you and me. This one will never happen. Otherwise, tak ada agama dalam dunia ni. Saya as a Muslim, I will always say my religion is the only truth. Tapi itu tak ada ganggu saya. I always give you example. Kalau saya ada isteri ataupun ayah, saya kata my father is the best father in the world. So satu orang marah pada saya. Why? Your father is not the best father. My father is the best father in the world. Masalah lah, you kata you punya ayah is the best. Saya kata saya punya ayah is the best. What is your problem? This is from my perspective. Your religion is the best religion from your perspective. My religion is the best from my perspective. Interfaith dialogue is not to make you say my religion is same like your religion. This is not interfaith dialogue. Ini adalah orang yang this is loser dialogue, losers dialogue. Tapi interfaith dialogue untuk apa? Saya faham, oh orang Buddha macam ni ya. So saya tahu this thing I cannot do because maybe that will hurt you. And you try to understand my culture, my religion, so you don't hurt me. This is interfaith dialogue. Apa yang try dibuat, some people try to make interfaith dialogue dalam dunia ni, and you know they fail all the way. They always fail because yang hadir interfaith dialogue, they are not pious, they are not religious. They never represent their religions. They take some liberal people who are not good practice Muslim or Christians. They go to that stage and they say things about their religion. And the official, not official, the people who really practice their religion, they never recognize those people who join interfaith dialogue. So I told these things so many times kepada yang British dan US pun dan juga Europe dalam dialog, saya kata they never represent Muslim society. Those people. So they can talk whatever they want. But Muslim society never recognize them. If you want to have religious dialogue, you invite pious religious person, knowledgeable, we call it alim, scholar, Muslim scholars, who are recognized by the society as a scholars. They go to that stage. They have dialogue with you. And we get to know each other, to respect, not to say your religion and my religion is the same. So what kind of religion if we are saying? So saya accept religious dialogue, tapi di dalam konteks yang begitu. Otherwise kita akan fail. No Christian will say the Christian is like Islam. Otherwise no need to be Christian. And no Muslim will say Islam is like Christian or Islam is like Buddha. Otherwise no need to be Muslim or no need to be Buddhist. So saya okay with religious dialogue, tapi dengan tujuan tadi, untuk kita hidup harmoni. Malaysia, dalam kerajaan yang lepas, saya telah mencadangkan, maybe you can find it from dalam media, supaya kita ada platform untuk dialog. Whatever happen, scholars from Muslim and Christian, from Buddhist and Hindus, we have a official platform. So apa-apa kita can table our issue di situ. Not to say we are the same, tapi to say this is Islam, so I have to be careful with this. And Buddha will say the same, and Christian will say the same. So kita akan tahu. So apa-apa issue, you bawa kepada scholars ni. They represent Muslim or Christian society or yang lain. Itu adalah religious dialogue. Kalau kita mau buat atau interfaith dialogue, itu akan berjaya. Otherwise, Western world tries hard so many times until now, mereka tak pernah berjaya tentang interfaith dialogue. Terima kasih banyak.